Apartment Therapy. I'm Dana and we're in Miami, Florida. Welcome to my home. Come on in and let me show you around. I rent my apartment. I've lived here for just over a year and it is 850 square feet of awesome. This is my proudest DIY ever. It was for my first art show and it took so many months and so many hands to make it a reality, and now I love having it over my couch. This is my other proudest DIY. I found this beautiful mid-century dresser for 50 bucks and then I painted it rainbow. So I love to collect things and I love to have a gallery wall, but I don't just put pictures on it. I like to put all kinds of things, including things that I collect on road trips or special memories with friends. So one thing that I like to do is hang mirrors higher than my head. That way when I walk by, cute and happy corners of my home are reflected back at me. So one of the biggest challenges when I moved in was I had really ugly countertops. So a simple solution was getting some nice contact paper. There's so many different styles to choose from, and when you're ready to move out, you just pull it right up. Here's my closet and bathroom. My personal aesthetic is inspired by mid-century modern design and a whole lot of color. Everyone always asks me why I love rainbows, but honestly I can't remember a time I didn't love them. I have dealt on and off for the past 10 years with severe depression and anxiety, and color is healing and transformative, and rainbows are just really fun and uplifting. So I've worked to surround myself with color. That way, even if I'm not feeling happy and bright on the inside, my surroundings help lift my spirits. Thanks for coming by. See you next time, Apartment Therapy.